If you're renting the Yorkville ES18P, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know so you can use it with confidence. The ES18P is a 1600 watt powered sub with a single 18 driver in it. This is one of the largest and heaviest things that we rent at the doo-wop shop. It's definitely a two-man lift, and it comes with wheels so you can maneuver it easily. Let's talk about sub placement. The best place to put this if you just have one is under your right or left speaker, hooked out of the speaker directly into the sub. Another option is to put one under each speaker as a stereo pair. A third option is to place 1, 2, or 3 in the front center of your stage shooting outwards. Another useful feature of the sub is it's got a sub pole insert built in. Simply put the sub pole in and you can mount your speaker on top. Let's spin it around and take a look at the back at our controls. First, let's plug it in and turn it on. Next, let's look at the controls up top. The first thing we'll want to do is take our line from either the mixer or, if you're jumping off the output of the speaker above it, into the input. Next, bring your volume up to unity. That's a good starting point. You can always turn it up more later. The next feature we want to look at, there are 3 settings for our sound mode. We have punchy, smooth, and deep. Deep is good for a lot of hip-hop or club music. Punchy is particularly good if you're using a lot of kick drum. Smooth is a good blend of the two. The next feature to consider is the high frequency roll-off. You can adjust this from 80 to 150 Hertz. 100 is pretty well standard, but you need to match it to your top boxes so your crossover is set at the right point. If linking to another sub, simply take your signal of the output and run it to the next sub. And that covers the basics on how to use the ES18P sub. If you're using other components, be sure to check out the videos on how to use those properly. And as always, if you need help, call us for one-on-one support.